ClickUp has recently announced a new AI service, ClickUp Brain, adding to the growing list of AI tools in the business world aimed at boosting productivity. This new service stands out in the competitive AI landscape, offering unique functionalities. ClickUp Brain is an AI-powered neural network integrated with ClickUp's project management system. It serves as an AI chatbot, providing real-time insights and assistance on projects, documents, people, and company knowledge. This tool aims to save time and enhance connectivity to various aspects of business operations. Key features of ClickUp Brain include an AI knowledge manager for contextual information about docs and tasks, an AI project manager for automating work processes, and an AI writer for work to generate content for marketing and design departments. ClickUp Brain is now available for ClickUp users, though it requires an additional subscription fee. It differentiates itself from other AI services by being specifically tailored to ClickUp's project management platform, offering features like automatic team updates and video voice transcription. This video explores ClickUp Brain's capabilities, its comparison with other AI services, and its potential impact on project management and business operations. ClickUp is revolutionizing the business software industry with its latest AI innovation, ClickUp Brain. This new AI service is part of a broader trend, where AI-powered tools are being increasingly adopted to enhance productivity and streamline business operations. ClickUp Brain is an AI-powered neural network, seamlessly integrated into ClickUp's project management system. It serves as an AI chatbot, providing real-time assistance and insights on projects, documents, team members, and company knowledge, aiming to optimize business efficiency. Key features of ClickUp Brain include an AI knowledge manager for in-depth insights into documents and tasks, an AI project manager for automating work processes, and an AI writer for work to generate content for various business departments. Available to ClickUp users for an additional subscription fee. ClickUp Brain offers unique functionalities like automatic team updates and video voice transcription, tailored to ClickUp's project management platform. This video explores the capabilities of ClickUp Brain, its role in the evolving AI market, and its potential to impact project management and business operations. The business software landscape is evolving rapidly, with the introduction of AI-driven tools like ClickUp Brain. ClickUp's latest innovation aimed at enhancing workplace productivity. This new AI service joins a series of AI-powered tools being rolled out by companies to optimize business operations. ClickUp Brain is a unique addition to the AI market, offering functionalities that set it apart. It's an AI-powered neural network integrated within ClickUp's project management system, acting as an AI chatbot to provide real-time assistance on projects, documents, team members, and company knowledge. Key features of ClickUp Brain include an AI knowledge manager for detailed insights into documents and tasks, an AI project manager for automating work processes, and an AI writer for work to generate content for various business departments. Available to ClickUp users for an additional subscription fee. ClickUp Brain offers specialized functionalities like automatic team updates and video voice transcription, tailored to ClickUp's platform. This video delves into the capabilities of ClickUp Brain, its role in the AI market, and its potential impact on revolutionizing business operations and project management. ClickUp's latest innovation, ClickUp Brain, marks a significant milestone in the integration of AI within business management tools. This new AI service is part of a growing trend in the business world, where AI-powered tools are increasingly being used to enhance productivity and streamline operations. ClickUp Brain, a neural network powered by AI, is uniquely integrated into ClickUp's project management system. It functions as an AI chatbot, offering real-time insights and assistance on a range of business operations, including projects, documents, team members, and company knowledge. The service boasts several key features: an AI knowledge manager for contextual understanding of documents and tasks, an AI project manager for automating and managing work processes, and an AI writer for work to create and edit content across various business departments. While ClickUp Brain is available for ClickUp users, it requires an additional subscription fee. It stands out in the AI market by providing specialized features, such as automatic team updates and video voice transcription, tailored specifically to ClickUp's project management platform. This video explores the innovative aspects of ClickUp Brain, its comparison with other AI services in the market, and its potential to redefine the way businesses manage and operate. The business world is witnessing another AI revolution with ClickUp's latest edition, ClickUp Brain, a new product designed to enhance productivity in the workplace. This innovative AI service is part of a growing trend, where companies are integrating AI tools to streamline operations. ClickUp Brain stands out in the AI market with its unique capabilities. It is a neural network powered by AI, seamlessly integrated into ClickUp's project management system. As an AI chatbot, ClickUp Brain provides real-time insights and assistance on projects, documents, team members, and company knowledge, aiming to save time and improve business efficiency. The service includes features like an AI knowledge manager for in-depth understanding of documents and tasks, an AI project manager for automating work processes, and an AI writer for work to generate and edit content for various business departments. While ClickUp Brain is available to ClickUp users, it comes with an additional subscription cost. It differentiates itself from other AI services by offering specialized features tailored to ClickUp's platform, such as automatic team updates and video, voice transcription. This video explores the unique aspects of ClickUp Brain, its comparison with other AI services, and its potential to transform the way businesses operate. ClickUp has entered the AI arena with its innovative product, ClickUp Brain, joining the ranks of companies leveraging AI to enhance business productivity. This new AI service is designed to streamline various aspects of business operations, setting it apart in the competitive AI market. ClickUp Brain, a neural network powered by AI, is integrated within ClickUp's project management system. It functions as an AI chatbot, offering real-time assistance and insights on projects, documents, personnel, and company knowledge. This integration aims to optimize time management and improve connectivity within business operations. The features of ClickUp Brain include an AI knowledge manager for detailed insights into documents and tasks, an AI project manager for automating and managing work processes, and an AI writer for work to produce content across different business departments. Available to ClickUp users, ClickUp Brain requires an additional subscription fee, but offers a free trial. It stands out from other AI services by providing unique functionalities, like automatic team updates and video, voice transcription, tailored to ClickUp's project management platform. This video delves into the capabilities of ClickUp Brain, comparing it with other AI services in the market, and discussing its potential to revolutionize project management and business operations.